My name is Jan Andrysek, and I'm a scientist at Holland Bloorview Kids Rehabilitation Hospital, as well as assistant professor at the Institute of Biomaterials and Biomedical Engineering. So in developing countries, the technologies that are used are actually quite basic, and this is an example of a knee that would be used in a developing country. And the extent of the function that it provides is it obviously allows it to bend like a knee should, but in order to provide some stability for the person to be able to put weight on the leg, there's a manual lock on it. And so basically, in order for the person to safely walk on this leg, they would sort of lock it up and walk around on a stiff leg. And that's one of the main limitations of the technologies that are used in developing countries at this time. And it's the one thing that we are trying to improve upon. And so with the LC knee, the knee that we're developing, we're experimenting with a novel kind of mechanism that allows us to control the knee. Instead of manually locking and unlocking it, we're experimenting with a mechanism that does this automatically. And if I can demonstrate here how that works. So as soon as the leg becomes straight, there's a lock inside that automatically locks it up. So a person can put their weight on it very safely, regardless of the type of terrain they are walking on and what they're doing. And then through the biomechanics, as they roll over on the foot, that locking mechanism unlocks, and now they're able to achieve what we call natural swing phase, so the natural bending motion during the walking. And so that's really the unique feature of this knee, is that new type of mechanism that provides the stability that we're trying to develop and evaluate here. We've been developing and perfecting the technology for about 5 years now, and we're at a stage to be implementing broad range clinical validations. And so we're in the process of establishing and have established partnerships around the world in countries such as Chile, Tanzania, through the International Committee of the Red Cross, and at different sites around the world to get a sort of a cultural perspective, at different climates, different environments. We're just in the process of setting these trials up, and over the next 12 months we will be collecting sort of longer term data about the performance of this knee in the field.